America's pastime is, was, and always will be shooting.
Hello everyone, Finn and Flask here. So today I'm doing another one of my Mastering the Basics videos, and today it's going to be how I do a quick clean of a flintlock pistol. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a quick little video on how I clean my pedersoli Kentucky pistol. So the first thing I do, pop it in half cock, I take a toothpick and I stick it in my vent hole. Okay? I pop it in, then I take a little water and I pour it down the barrel. And I let it set for about 10 minutes, get all that hard stuff out of there. Alright, now to clean this, I take some of these right here, and I have my short starter that's got a 45 jag on it, and I punch it down. I clean it. There's not that many shots through this, so it's going to be an easy clean. I also use 3F when I was shooting this, and 3F is definitely a lot cleaner. So that's pretty good right there. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to take the lock off. This is just a quick little clean. You can go really, really hard into it if you want, but I'll take a little cloth with water because the water neutralizes. You know what, I'm going to use a paper towel instead. Just get a little water on it, neutralize that black powder. Just neutralize it. There's not much on here, so wipe the pan, wipe everything down, get everything out of there. It's really not that complicated. It's really pretty easy. Then I'll take some ballast oil and I'll lube this up. Lube it up pretty good. Get everything covered, because I don't want it to rust up on me. Just a little bit right there. There wasn't all that much in the bore, and the barrel's pretty good. I can take the barrel off completely if I want to, but I only fired a few shots with it with a friend. But you can just take this out, take the whole gun apart. It's really pretty easy. But just a nice little bit protection with the ballast oil. And then take one like this. Put it over it. See? Nothing really coming out. And I didn't clean this before, if you were thinking that. It's just, I think I took like 5 shots out of it, so it was pretty quick. Sometimes it's really bad, especially if you're shooting 2F, it can take a long time to clean. But this is pretty good. And, yeah, I'll put it back together. Pretty straightforward. Functions check. It works. Yep, everything works. I'm going to leave it in that position with the springs undone. and she's lubed up and she's nice and clean. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.